everybody, welcome back to my garage for another DIY project. This week I am redoing a mirror that was passed down. It was my great-grandmother's on my dad's side, and he gave it to me when he got it. And so yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how to go from this to this. And it's a very simple project, not a whole lot required, mostly just needing paintbrush and a piece of furniture. This paint you do not have to sand to use on top of wood furniture, so that is great for this project. Makes it really simple, really easy. So I am going to go ahead and show you along throughout my process and what I kind of am going through to create this new upgraded look. Okay, so my first step is to take apart the mirror. That way it's a little bit easier to paint. So I'm just unscrewing the hardware here and taking it apart. And then next I clean everything to make sure that the paint has a good surface to stick to. And then I begin taping everything off. So the taping was a little bit tough with this mirror because it is such a rounded edge. I just had to rip the tape into small pieces and really just take my time. It probably took me about 25 minutes to just get the tape around the edge of this mirror here. Okay, so next I just take some plastic and go ahead and cover the mirror to protect it from any paint spills. And now, time for paint. So for the stand and the mirror itself, I do 3 coats of paint. I let dry about 4 hours in between each coat. That way the paint is set and it has a good finish that for the next coat to stick. Next, I go ahead and lay out all the hardware. I'm going to spray paint these matte black to give a little contrast with the white paint once it's all put together in the end. So for the legs, I flip over the whole stand and kind of pinch it between some paint cans and some bricks and go ahead and paint those legs upside down. That way I don't have to wait 4 hours in between painting each side of the legs if I were to take it all the way apart. Come back to the hardware, flip it over, get the sides that I missed the first time while I let that last coat of paint dry. Okay, after all 3 coats have been dry and setting for at least 8 hours, I go back and remove the tape. One tip in removing tape is to pull away from the edge, mostly because I put this tape kind of underneath, and to get a good line you want to pull straight out. It did snag up here a bit, and I just took a utility knife and kind of picked at it to get it out of that crease. And then the hardware goes in, I put it together and brought it inside, and here is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this week's DIY project with me. I hope you guys learned a little something. Be sure to like and subscribe. Leave any questions in the comments below. I would really look forward to chatting with you guys there. And my next video is actually going to be on Friday this week instead of Thursday. I have a little special something planned for this week's video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss that.